Come. Excuse me, who are you talking to? The goat?
You're excited? You're excited to take medicine? Ready?
Ready, baby.
I think you should put her down. Ready? Yes. Ready? All right, here we go. Put your head on the table. Ah, ah, ah. 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 I know. I know. All right. No, baby. No, baby. Oh, man. Ah, that's at least 2 meals. Try it again, right? Yeah, we're gonna try it again. So I'm gonna go with 2. 2.5.
Not sure how much you actually got, but we tried. Come, baby, drink some more. You don't trust us, you know. It's just juice. Trust us.
Juice, baby. Drink juice.
Still trust me now.
Good.
Yeah,
12 hours until finished.
Drink up. Nice. Want more? Alright. Good girl. Clap yourself. Clap yourself. Morning, neighbors. How you doing? Welcome back to another video. Church just finished a while ago, right? But Pastor spoke about, the whole topic of doctrine and knowing what you believe. And he brought up a quote from, a learned theologian. And it says this.
One writer who is no longer with us, A.W. Tozer, don't know if you've ever heard his name before. He says in his book, Knowledge of the Holy, he says, what comes into your minds when you think about God is the most important thing about you. What comes in your mind when you think about God is the most important thing about us. How do we see God? What kind of a person is God to us?
And it's so true because it is important to know what you think of God when you think of Him. That sounds like an awkward way to say it. But when I think of God, I remember how small I am. And it's hard for me to think of God and not remember how small I am. Let me break it down. Jamaica ain't no big place, but I haven't been to every nook and cranny, the length and breadth of the island. I haven't toured the whole of Jamaica. I don't know the whole of Jamaica, so it's still big enough. Okay, then you think of Jamaica compared to the earth. Jamaica is a little puny dot on the globe. So it ain't much either, but the earth is so big and I haven't been everywhere. I've only been to Panama and USA one time each. So there's a lot that I haven't even explored in just the earth. But when you think about the earth revolves around the sun, which is our galaxy in the Milky Way. And earth could fit into the sun many times. It could fit the whole earth into the sun many times. And I remember watching a video years back and it really shook me. The sun isn't even the biggest star. The biggest star known to us now, that scientists discovered, could fit the sun many times. Bearing in mind, the sun could fit many earths. The earths could have fit many Jamaicas. If you wanted to put Jamaica alone on the earth, could have fit many Jamaicas. I am 1 out of 3 million people in Jamaica. Yet God know me and God know my affairs. And then you think about the fact that there are many galaxies in the universe. The universe isn't fully explored by scientists. And even though these stars are so huge that it could fit many of the suns in there, and the sun could fit many of the earths in there, there is someone bigger who is called God, who is holding all of this together. Try to wrap your mind around that. So the next time you think of a problem, the next time you think of an issue, compare it to God. Because it pales in comparison to the one who you believe in. So that's the thought for today, the thought for the week, the encouragement. Wrap your mind around who you understand God to be. If you don't think you understand Him enough, His might, His power, the fact that He is almighty and that nothing is outside of His reach, the fact that He's holding you, He is literally holding the world in His hands, and the world is not the little Jamaica you know, not the community that you know, it is galaxies big. So make a problem no. So you not serve somebody puny. And you need to get that as well. Tina and I have some testimonies to share from just things that have been happening over the past months. And we've seen God's hand at work undoubtedly. And trust me, we're going to share it, we're not going to hide it. But when the time is right, we'll let you know. But just understand for this week that you serve a big God. Wrap your mind around who God is. That's the encouragement. Nothing can face you this week or bigger than your God. You agree with me? Hey. Yeah, the goat agrees. I'm not taking a picture. You want to go outside? You want to go outside as well? Let me tell you what I'm going to tell you what we're going to do, alright? It's a secret. Ready? Put on his slippers, let's go. Put on his slippers quickly. Eva, but don't say anything to anybody, okay? Eva, you want to go outside? Okay, put on your shoes. You want to go outside, Edie? Yes, you want to go outside? Yeah, let's go outside. Yes, come. And trust me, this house was very tired this morning. Nothing was on the floor. And that lasted for a good half an hour or so. A good 30 minutes. Place was nice and tidy. Now there are many shoes on the floor. Not shoes that belong to me and Tina, and not even any pairs, just single shoes. One single, 3, 4. A lot of single footer shoes on the floor randomly because I'm ready to closet. Cushions on the floor. I can't even make any seat, but it's just I just saw the thing set right now. Getting stressed over that? Me? No, because they must sleep again and the place will tidy again and it will be messed up again. It's just a cycle. I'm okay with it. So anyway, outside, come. Everybody ready to go outside? Yes. Ready? Ready. Put on your shoes. Where's your slippers? No, where's your slippers? Where's your shoes? I'm going to go for your shoes, Edie. Ava, come for your shoes. Come and put on your shoes too. Alright, everybody in them shoes now. Alright, nice shoes everybody have on. Zahra, where's your shoes? Say hi.
Hi.
Say hi. Say hi, neighbors.
Hi, neighbors.
Say hi, neighbors. Ava, say hi, neighbors. Edie, say hi, neighbors. Come, Zahra, put on your shoes quick. We're going outside now. Let's go, everybody. Almost forgot I'm going to need this guy. Yes, I'm going to need this guy. Come, hold their hand and help them. Hold their hand, Zahra. Right, okay? First of all, I'm not sure what I'm doing in terms of the execution. My thought process is there. Hear the reasoning now. So the other day, I bought a certain fruit in Jamaica because this fruit is in season now. You buy the fruit. As a matter of fact, I didn't buy the fruit. I wanted to buy, but I got it eventually from my mom. It cost over $1,000 per pound. And if you're a Jamaican, you already know what that means and which fruit that is. It's the infamous, much sought after
Lychee.
And I take a decision that if this thing really costs over $1,000 per pound, then I need to just grow the tree because that price does not work. It is in the realms of grape and them thing there. Lychee growing tree, I think I'm going to try my hand now. And the children are going to help me to put it in this nestum box. I have some seeds in here. I don't even know if it's possible to catch or grow or however this thing work. If I have a green thumb. But I'm going to try something. Don't laugh after me. If you have a better idea, drop it in the comments, please, alright?
Are there seeds in this?
Yes, there are seeds in this. You hold it. Don't open it though. Okay? I'm going to go for the shovel. We're going to plant the seeds. Alright?
Yes.
Eden.
I'm going to put on a little water.
We're going to put a little water in there, but not too much. Watch sisters for me, right? I'm going to go for the shovel. Alright? Watch them. Got it. Ready, Ava?
Huh?
This is a shovel. First time you seen a shovel, don't? How about what?
How about our shovel?
You have, you know where your shovels are?
No.
Right, so you always play with it and lose it, so I don't know where it is, so I have to use my shovel. Okay? Let's go. Come. We need to find some dirt. Eden Reed, get your behind up here. How you reach down there, so?
Oh, that's all.
No. Farmer Eden. Hey. Farmer Eden. Every 3-year-old hold a baby. Hold a baby hand. Hold her hand and hold her hand, please. 3-year-olds hold the 1-year-old hand. Get up, please. Hold sister's hand. Eden, stop fighting me to come down here. She full on fighting me now.
Hey,
Look at this one climbing chair. Alright, stay there. Come, we're going to look for some dirt right about X marks the spot. Alright, come now. Put down the bucket. Alright, so take off the lid. Alright, so Zaza, take out the seeds. Give one to Leila. And you keep one. You keep 2. Take up other. There's one more in there. You take it up, okay? Alright, I'm going to shovel the dirt in there, alright? Eat it. Just alright, yes. We're going to put the cover on, maybe back. Ava, yes? Alright. And the fish is good there. We don't know, you know, it's just watch our thing. No baby touch it. No baby touch it. Alright, look what you do now, baby. Zahra, drop your own. Drop your seed in there, Zahra. Drop your seed in there. Alright. Leila, drop your seed in there. Alright. So there's one more seed. What the other seed? You show me the other seed. Don't drop it in there. Show me. Alright, we're going to keep that one for a little higher. Alright. So kind of this is there. We're going to put some more dirt under it. Step back, baby. No. Jeez, don't sit down, baby. Get up. Oh boy. You have to go bed right after, but at least you enjoy it.
Now look what you
So
did
this
there.
is this. So covering them up, right? Stop. I must stop. Alright, so covering it up. Alright, throw the other seed now, Zahra. Alright. You clapping, Daddy? Very good. I don't know, there should be so many rocks, but it learned in rough life from early. I think we can stop now, right? Alright, get up, baby. You cannot sit down. Alright, come out of the dirt now, babies. Everybody out of the dirt. Zaza, take up the thing, please. Okay, Sister Eden has it already. Very good. Hey. Oi. Mind your drop. Eden read. Mind your drop it. Jeez and peas, at least it drops straight. Alright now, everybody. So we have this here, right, Zaza? Or your Leila? We have this here. So we're going to put a little water on it. And then we'll see if it grows, okay? Where do you want to keep it? You hold it. Where do you want to put it? Over there? No, I think we should put it a little higher, okay? So hear me out. The idea is that in no time, this will, what seeds to germinate and spring something, and I'll have a lychee plant that I can then transfer to the ground. That will become a big, nice tree, and I can be selling lychee in 2 or 3 years' time. Based on inflation and all that, I would say at about $2,000 or so a pound. That's the plan. I don't even know if it's going to work, but we're trying. Alright, hold the hose. Not a lot, I'm not going to put a lot in there. I'm just going to barely turn on the pipe. Hold the hose higher, lift up a little higher. Right, just so I can see how much water is going in. Tell me when to stop, okay? Alright, that's enough, right? Alright, so we're going to water it every day until we see something come out of it, alright? Alright, let's go and put it down now. Hold it. Huh? So the name of this fruit? Oh, okay, yes. Alright. Is it the seed? Okay, it will come up and a plant will come. Let's put it down. The name of this fruit is lychee, okay? So when the plant comes up, we're going to get lychee fruit. You ever had lychee before? I think you had it just one time last week or so. So you'll have some more. Let's go and put it down now. Come. Excuse me, who are you talking to? The goat? Eva, who are you? I'm coming right behind you, I'm coming right behind. Whoops! Uh-oh. You're okay. Who are you talking to? The goatee? You talking to goatee? Let me see your bruise. Okay. You talking to goatee? Don't run away from me again. Don't run away from me again. I catch you. Don't run away from me again. Come, Milo. Let me put it on for you, okay? Let's put it down. Put on that thing over there. On that log. Go. Bring it. No. Up. We're going right here. Put on this log right here. So you know that when you come back, you can leave it right there. And we can look at it, alright? So good job, team. High five. Alright. High five, Edie. High five, Eva. High five. Very good. Come inside now, everybody. Alright, I think we've waited long enough. Me and these little ones.
Huh?
Huh? We're going out now to check on the lychee tree that has now grown. It's a full 24 hours later, a new day. I think we gave it enough time. So we're going to check on the progress right about now and to see the tree that has already sprung up. This is an all-terrain vehicle, ATV. We're pulling up to the place. Any tree yet? I don't see anything sprouting yet, you know. You think it's too soon, Eva? Eva, you think we're checking too soon? Give it some more time. Give it some more time, Edie. Give the plant some more time to grow. You're hearing me. Should I give it more time? Okay, that's a yes, eat. Okay, I'll give it more time, alright? You see you eating the biscuits over there so with your mouth? Alright, so the children voted that we give it some more time, and I'm going to say, you know what, I think they're onto something. We may have checked a little too soon. Just a little too soon. And so we're going to give it some more time and come back in about 5, 6 by tomorrow. See if anything, I draw my joke. But I really want to see what comes of it. These two are here talking down the place. Hold on, let me hear what I'm saying. Buddha, 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 Buddha. That's your favorite words, you know? Buddha, Buddha, Buddha. And what do you have to say, Eva? Dada? Do. Yes, a lot of talking going on here. You're just being camera shy, but it's okay. It's okay. Yes, alright. We're going to call it a day here. Thank you as usual for watching, neighbors. And if you aren't a neighbor already, hit the subscribe button, man, and become a part of the neighborhood. We're on Instagram at Me and My House. And we'll catch you in our next vlog, which is hopefully before the lychee tree actually grows. Alright? Later, neighbors. Have a great week.